What's up, family? Thick and Curly here. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you would do me the favor, please subscribe to my channel and show me some love. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Thick and Curly. And for all things encouragement, motivation, equipping, and empowerment, be sure to follow and subscribe my other channel, Brandy S. Turpin, as well on social media. Now let's get into this video. What's up, family? Thick and Curly here. I'm coming to you guys today just for a really quick video to explain to you why I chose interlocking over palm rolling for my starter locks. I am 4 months in. The end of this month, I'll be 5 months. I was like, wait a minute. So yeah, 4.5 months in. And there really is only one main reason that I chose interlocking over palm rolling. Number one, this is not my reason, but I'm just going to go through a few things. I did my research on the University of YouTube and the University of Google. Yes, I also went to my loctician for a consult before she did my initial install. I asked her all my questions. She was able to answer all of my questions. So between my research, my gut, I guess, and my loctician, I decided on interlocking simply because of my active lifestyle. That was it. A lot of people did say that interlocking will damage your roots and thin out your roots. That's why I'm going to a loctician. With me not knowing how to do it yet, there's no point in me damaging my hair. So find somebody that knows what they are doing and your roots won't be damaged, right? So palm rolling, you guys know, is literally palm rolling your hair to where it rolls. And it's not a coil, but it rolls around itself at the root. And then your locks grow out like that. When you do your retwist, you're doing the same thing. Some people do it with combs, others actually do it with palm. Interlocking method is when you are pushing the lock through itself at the root. And people do a 2-point turn, 3-point turn, 5-point turn, which is how many times you push it through. That's interlocking. I learned that a lot of people would say if you interlock, it's gonna leave like a pattern in your hair. I was okay with that. I am on this journey. I'm learning my hair and I'm letting my hair do what she wants to do. So if it's gonna be a pattern, okay. I have been told they're gonna all look the same at the end, including if you start off with 2-strand twists, braids, coils, they're all gonna look the same. So again, for me, the reason I chose interlocking is because of my active lifestyle. When I went to my consult, one thing that stuck out to me that she said, for example, if I do palm roll retwist, you're gonna have to get under the dryer before you leave. She said, interlocking, I finish you and you go out the door. That excited me. Like many of us little black girls, I have dryer trauma. I had thick hair. Sitting under the dryer was like traumatic for me. As soon as she said that, I was like, I don't want to do that. Also, I love swimming, jumping in the pool, living. I work out about 5 times a week now. Your girl has lost 15 pounds. Your girl has lost 15 pounds. Can we just stop there? Your girl has lost 15 pounds. Okay, anyway. So I work out. I just have a very busy and active lifestyle. Part of my reason for getting locks was for the ease of my hair always being done, like I like to say. So for me, I simply just did not want the maintenance of palm rolling. I did not want to sit under the dryer. I did not want to run the next morning and the sweat have my roots thicken up or unravel. And everyone's hair does not unravel. That's not what I'm saying. But I didn't want to have to worry about what if it does unravel. I didn't want to have to worry about if I didn't tie my hair down, would it unravel? Would it swell? Again, this is for me. This is for me, for Thick and Curly. These were my reasonings. I know so many people that are pro palm rolling and some that are pro interlocking. This is not for debate. I don't want us to be up against each other just like in the loose natural hair community. It's like 3A, 4C, all the arguments. Locks are locks and they are beautiful. I am telling you guys why I chose interlocking. My main number one reason was because of my active lifestyle. I hope this helps. Peace and blessings, Thick and Curly.